Hel- Hello everyone, and welcome to part 3 of this 3-part tutorial. I will now show you how to get the internet to work without buying a new network card. So as you can see on the desktop, I have two kexts, and I have a program called Kext Helper. And now setting this up is very easy. What you're going to do is you're going to take your two kexts, which can be downloaded from the site, and you're going to drag them and drop them into Kext Helper. At this point, Kext Helper will bring in the two kexts and prompt you for your user password. You just enter that in and click Easy Install. Sometimes it will, as you'll see, sometimes it will tell you that there's a problem with the password. That's either because you entered it wrong or it just wasn't your lucky try. Doing it again, though, will work, as you can see. And we got it installed successfully, so then it will tell us that the changes will only take effect after we restart. So now what we're going to do is, to speed up the reboot, we're going to quit Kext Helper, but Kext Helper has a tendency of refusing to quit and actually going into non-responding mode. So what we'll do is we'll force quit. That will not affect the installation of the kext. It's already done. It just requires a reboot to get set in, so that doesn't really matter. So now what you're going to do is you're going to either reboot or restart, reboot or shut down and start up again. Usually your new networks will be discovered automatically when you start up, but in the case that they aren't, you go to your network preferences and it will discover a new airport where your wireless settings will be. And essentially you'll see that everything is detected, just the networks aren't. There is an easy way to fix this. And as you can see, that is your Ethernet. Here's your Wi-Fi. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the Advanced button, and then you're going to get all of your internet settings. And you'll see there that there is no network detected, but you're going to add one. And you're going to add a WEP password if you're using a home network, and then you're going to show network, and it should show your networks there instead of having to type it in. And you can just choose a network and add it, and then once you add that one, the other one is going to be added as well. So essentially you just need to add one to detect the rest of them. So then what you're going to do is, if you're on a home network with security, you're going to need to enter that password that's on your modem. It's called a WEP key. When you're doing this on your own, you might want to show password, because there are often times when you're copying the number and you get confused, but I've done this enough times to be able to do it without showing the password. So yeah, let me just finish writing in that password. Then once you're done, you're going to click Add. And as you'll see, you've just added that network. So then you're going to want to go to OK. Yeah, the dock is getting a little bit in the way, but once you click OK, you're going to be brought back to your network settings, and then you'll be able to choose between your networks. You choose the one that you just set up, and then you find a way to click Apply, even if it means moving the window out of the way of the dock. And once that is done, your Wi-Fi will be set up, and so will your Ethernet at that point. So as you can see, I am connected. And for further proof, let's go to Safari. Now I repeat, I did not buy a network card to get this to work. I just found the right kexts. They're in the downloads will be in link in the description. Basically, you're going to go to the blog post, and in the blog post you have the instructions on how to do this, as well as the download links that I have provided. And we're in Safari. It isn't very reassuring to go to top sites, so let's try going to a website. In fact, let's go to my blog. So yeah, this is the site that will take you. It'll take you to one of the articles on this site. It's Computer Software is Your Friend, my blog, and of course, that's basically where you will find this series along with other tutorials and news and stuff. It's a multi-author blog, so don't be surprised if you see multiple authors. In Safari it's a little bit slow to load, but I mean, this is the first time. Once it's loaded a page and taken its sweet time, it does save the page, so the next time you go to that page it won't take that much longer to render. Thanks for watching this set of tutorials. Be sure to leave feedback and stay tuned for our other ones.